I'm excited to see how this looks after your adjustment. So come on in here, we're gonna go right into the drop table. You can put your face on there. So some of the adjustments are a little uncomfortable.
Okay.
Let me know how you're doing though, okay? You
Okay.
can take a break anytime. And then you will be sore for about 72 hours after the adjustment. You just use crushed ice on any sore spots, okay? The table's gonna pop up and down quite a bit. We're gonna start with the sacrum, that sacral apex, the SI joint on this side, okay?